everybody, it's Gail from the Happy Stamper. Good morning, happy Thursday. I hope you're all getting up bright and early. It's very early here and I've got a busy day ahead of me, and I'm whispering because it's so early. My family is still sleeping, but I could not wait to share with you this super cute project I created yesterday. So this is using the new stamp set called it's from the Holiday Catalog 2019, and it's called Harvest Hellos. It's right here, Harvest Hellos, and it's on page 49 of the Holiday Catalog, and you can view that online at my website. And I thought I would share with you this cute home decor project that I made. It was very easy and went very quickly. So, as I mentioned, I use this stamp set, and it comes as a bundle with a punch and this darling stamp set. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun playing with this. So you're going to need that to create this project. And without further ado, here it is. Isn't it so cute? It's a fall mini sampler, and I'll walk you through everything I created with this. This is a, let's see, I'm not sure what size this is, but this is one of these frames. It holds a 4x6 picture, so it's a bit bigger than that when it's all said and done. But I picked this up at Dollar Tree, and here's the item number. If you want to try to order online, I don't know if they do that, but that's the item number if you want to do that. But yeah, it's just one of these little Dollar Tree frames that I got, and I just took the clip off, bent it off, and created this darling little fall sampler that would be perfect on a work desk or in your kitchen, in the family room, on your fireplace mantle, anywhere you want to just make it look all cute and comfy cozy. So I spelled out the word fall, and I used a retired alphabet die set from Stampin' Up. This was the large letters die framelits, and I'm not sure, they're not available anymore. It's retired, but perhaps you could find it if you wanted to absolutely match, you know, my lettering. But this is what they're called if you wanted to check like on eBay or something. But these are retired. However, if you don't do that, you could always use any alphabet stamp or alphabet die set, alphabet stamps. You could even use letter stickers, things like that. So don't feel like you have to make it exactly the same. But that's how I spelled out fall. And then if I come in, without getting blurry, I embossed it. And I embossed that with the new tin tile. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but it's a very deep edged, it's beautiful. So that's what I used. It's called tin tile from our current holiday catalog. And that's how I embossed the letters to spell out fall. Super sweet. I just love it. And if you notice, I popped up with our mini pop dots. I don't know if I can turn it that way. I popped up all these, just the tiny leaves, just to kind of accent everything. So cute. I just love it. Okay, so the colors I used are pumpkin pie, crushed curry, of course real red, and old olive. Those are the colors that I used. And I used my water brush, and I stamped the fall leaves, and then I hit it with my heat tool, and then I just colored it with my water brush. And that's how you get the watercolor look. Just make sure you hit it real well with your heat tool first, otherwise the impression will just bleed, and you want to make sure that's good and dry. But using the punch, how cute is that? Super duper cute. I love it. And then if you noticed, I used some of these just small strips of paper that look like, you know, distressed wood. I matted the frames. I matted it here. I tried to make sure I had a small piece of it on each square. So I stamped a leaf using it here and here. I put a strip there. I did another small leaf here. I don't know if you can see it in the corner, and the stem, just to kind of pull it all together. And that paper came from the new pack, which is called Come Together. And I showed this in my haul video, but that's where that paper came from. So yeah, that is my super cute fall project. I hope you guys give this a try. It's so cute. It was so fun. These make great gifts, hostess gifts, just anything to, you know, say fall is here. And it was super quick and fun. So I hope you give it a try. Again, this is using the Harvest Hellos from the holiday catalog, 2019, on page 49. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this. As always, great big hugs from me to you. Have a wonderful rest of your week. And go Bears! They're playing Green Bay tonight. And my family's going to be at the game, so it'll be fun to watch. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Love ya. Bye-bye.